You are welcome to this episode of our Graphic Design Academy 1.0, and in this tutorial we are going to learn how to create a new document, open a document, and also save a document. So without wasting much time, let's hop into it.
Audio Jungle.
So whilst your Photoshop is open, you navigate to File. You can create a file, a new file or a new document by going to the menu bar and clicking on File, New. Or in this panel, you just click on New here, and it will open a panel for you to create a new document. So you come to this side and you name the file Tests Design. Change the size to inches. For now, that is what you're going to be using. Let's say the width should be 4 inches and the height should be 5 inches. Normally that is a resolution of 300. For Instagram posts, Facebook, WhatsApp, you can use this size for it. So let's say the document you are creating is 4, the width is 4 inches, height 5 inches, and the orientation is portrait. Color mode RGB 8-bit, background should be white, color profile sRGB. You hit create and it will create a new file, or we can go here and creating a new file again. When you come here, we can use the saved presets. That is the default saved preset, so you can choose any of them. Let's say we come here, we choose A4 size, landscape orientation. See, it changes the width and the height to that of A4, the size of A4, which is 297 millimeters by 210 millimeters. That's the height for A4. You hit create, it will create the new page for you. So that's all for creating a new page. And the next one is opening a new document. So if you want to open a document that you've already saved, that's how we open it. Sometimes if it's a recent file that you've just opened or you just worked on, you get it here at the recent panel here. So you can just click on it and it will open. So if it opens, see, when you open the document, you come and see all the layers here, the toolbar is here. So if it opens this way, it means you've opened a document that you've already worked on, or a template. That is how it's going to appear. So let's close this one, or click on the open button here, navigate to where the file is open, select the file and you open, or you go to File, Open, and you select the file and you open, or you hold Ctrl+O, then you open. So on the empty space, hit Ctrl+O, navigate to the file, open. That's how we open a file in Photoshop. And saving a file, see, after working on your things, doing your blah 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 blah, saving for the first time, you go to File, Save As, choose the Save As type. You choose the Save As type, which is Photoshop PSD. Name the file Test Design 1. Click on Save. Don't show again, because we don't want this to show again, because this is the first time we are saving the 10 of maximum blah 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 blah. Hit OK. When the file is saved, sometimes we open documents, we open files. Let's say these images. Let me open this image. I want to open multiple images, so let me add another some images to it. I've opened this image. Hold Ctrl key to select more, and open. So when you open it, it will come here on this bar here. That is where the files are going to open. Sometimes you open and everything will be scattered here. So if you want to fix that too, you come to Window, Arrange, consolidate all tabs to bring the tabs to their right position. When you want to open a file here, you just go to where the file, you locate the file. Let's say that we want to upload this image file to our work, so we just drag the file to this place and hit enter. You see, when you come to the layers panel, you see that we've imported a file here. We've imported a file. So if you want to save this one too, you go to file, save as test design 2, test design 2 to save. When you close all of them, you see it will show up at your recent files. So if you want to open it again, you just click on it and it will open the work for us. Or we navigate where the file is. You see, we named it test design 2. So test design 2, we just drag it onto Photoshop, or we double click on it to open, or we go to file, open, then we open the file again. So that's all for this tutorial: how to create a new document, how to open a document, and how to save a document. Thank you.